Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaros channel, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off automatically delete browsing data in Powerpax Android. So all you have to do is to open up your Powerpax mobile browser, and then you need to click and you need to select the three dotted icon on the top right corner and then click. And then it will pop up this notifications. Then you need to tap the settings gear button here at the bottom left corner and then click. So here now at settings, and then you need to scroll down again, and then underneath here at privacy and security, then you need to select this delete browsing data on quick. Then again you need to click. And then here now at delete browsing data on quick, to turn on delete browsing data on quick, then you need to toggle to unpositions the button here to right corner, and you will see this, it's already enabled. So once you turn on or enabled, then automatically delete browsing data. So you will see this other option settings here like open tabs, browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files, site permissions, downloads. This is already automatically deleted. And then also there's is an option if you only select those to delete automatically like site permissions, download or open tabs. So all you have to do is to uncheck this box if you don't want to delete automatically. It depends on your preferences. And then again, if you want to disable or turn off this delete browsing data on quick, then you need to toggle to up positions to left corner this button. Then you will see this, it's already disabled. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching.